Hello friends, I am Satya Prakash. Welcome to my channel. So today I am going to tell you how to draw a Ludo board at home with just 4 items. That is a pin paper, a scale, a pencil and 4 crayons. That is which represents the 4 houses. Yellow, red, blue and green. So let's get started. Firstly, take a pin paper and let's draw the starting point of the 4 houses. For this, you have to draw a line like this and another line like this and cross it. In the same way, draw all the 4 sides. After drawing the starting point of all the 4 houses, mark equal lines to draw the midboard. Now, after marking the points, you just join the points. Next, join this side and even this side. Now this side is finished. In the same way, now join here. Overcross these lines. Now join this side and this side. Now half of the board is finished, but just you have to draw for each rectangle 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you draw 4 lines, it means you have drawn 5 lines because 4 lines make 5 parts. The same way even to this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the Ludo board is ready. Now let's fill it with colors. Now after completing the coloring of 4 houses, rub these boxes in the middle. Now take a pencil and scale and draw a cross. This is the home for green, for red, for blue and for yellow. Now let's put the arrow marks in the Ludo board. This blue color coin goes in this way. So let's put an arrow here. And it goes in this way, so another arrow will be here. This yellow coin goes this way, so let's put the arrow here. This green coin goes this way. So put the arrow here. and this red coin goes this way. So put the arrow like this. This coin goes inside in this way. Here an arrow, here an arrow, and here also an arrow mark. So now the arrow marks are finished. Now let's mark the safe points. First step of this coin will be here. So this is the safe point. And the 1, 2, 3, third one after this will be another safe point. Next, the first step of this will be here. So this is a safe point, and 1, 2, 3. Here is another safe point. The same way, first step here, and 1, 2, 3. The third place arrow mark. And blue coin's first step will be here, and at the third place safe point. So now we have also marked the safe points. If you like more designs, then you can draw the outline with a sketch to give it a nice appearance, and you can stick it on a thermocol or cardboard sheet to play it, because the paper may get teared easily. So friends, if you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.